Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about elements in Chainlit. Basically videos, audios, images, PDF, these are the elements. We'll see that how to display maybe image or PDF in the chatbot. So it says text messages are the building blocks of chatbot, but we often want to send more than just text to the user such as images, videos and more. So how to send it? It says to attach an element to a message or step, we need to instantiate the element and attach the element to the message or step. So to attach it, I will simply copy these lines of code, and here in our own chat start decorator, I will simply paste these lines. Here in path, I will simply give the path of image. The image is stored in public folder and I have cat.png. Let me show you. It is cat.png, and in public folder I also have pdf1.pdf. We'll see later on that how to attach PDF also. So here I am sending content and elements also. In element I am sending the image. Let me save and let's run the application. You see, it is showing the image here successfully. So if we come here, it says to display an image, we have different options. One is side. So the image will not be displayed in the image. Instead, the name of image will be displayed as clickable link. When the user click on the link, the image will be displayed on the side of image. So here we simply type side. Let me come here, and instead of inline we simply type side. Let me save and check the chatbot. Here we are seeing nothing. There is no clickable link or no clickable text. So how to tackle that? Simply we need to copy this name somewhere in the content. So here I will type image1. Let me save and let's see again. Now it is showing image1. When I click, it is showing the image. So basically whatever you type here in the name, maybe we type cat, so you have to type cat somewhere in the content also. Let me save and let's refresh the chatbot. Now you see the clickable text is cat. It is saying that we also have page option. The image will not be displayed in message. Instead, the name of image will be displayed on clickable link. Clicking on the link will redirect to the dedicated page where the image will be displayed. Basically, I tested previously this option, display is equal to page. It is giving the server error. I think the error is from Chainlit. I think we are using the local PostgreSQL and SQL Alchemy data layer. And whenever we move from local to maybe Azure database, the issue will be resolved, or I have not find the solution of it yet. So maybe if you guys can find any solution of it, you can comment it out. So for now, consider it we only have two options. One is side and another is inline. I think these two options are enough. Okay, now it is saying control the element sidebar from Python. It says you can open, close the sidebar directly in Python. Elements attached to the sidebar will not be persisted, as this sidebar state is not the result of interaction in the UI. So how it works? Let me just copy these lines of code, Control C, and let's just paste here in our own chat start decorator. Here on image, I will give the image path. I know it is stored in public, and its name is cat.png. Similarly, my PDF is also stored in public, and its name is pdf1.pdf. And also we are adding the text here. Here is side text document, here is page text document. So you see it is showing the image as well as PDF, and here there is a text. Here is side text document, here is page text document. Basically these are the text here. So with the help of cl.Element sidebar, you can able to control the sidebar in Python. If we come here on API reference and in element, you see we have custom text, images, data frame, file, audio, video, and we have different options. In elements, you see we have a lot of options. So we will see these options maybe in next video. So for now, that's it guys. We'll see you in next video.